Alright, let's demystify Docker in just 3 minutes. You've built a cool app on your laptop. It works perfectly. But then you try running it on a friend's computer, or worse, a server, and suddenly nothing works. Missing files wrong, settings mysterious errors. That's the classic "it works on my machine" problem. Docker is here to fix that. Docker is basically a tool that lets you package up your app, plus everything it needs to run, like code libraries settings into something called a container. Think of a container like a little box. No matter where you move the box, what's inside always works the same way. So your app runs on your laptop? Cool. It'll run exactly the same on your friend's laptop, a cloud server anywhere else you send that container. Now you might be thinking, wait, isn't that what virtual machines do? Sort of, but Docker is way lighter and faster. Virtual machines need a whole operating system for each app, which is heavy and slow. Docker just shares the computer's OS and isolates your app in its own space. So you get all the benefits of isolation, but without the bloat. Let's talk about how you actually use Docker. First, you write a little recipe called a Docker file. This tells Docker how to build your container. It's like saying, hey Docker, start with this base, add these files, install these things, and run this command. Once you've got your Docker file, you build an image from it. That image is the blueprint for your container. And when you want to run your app, you just launch a container from that image. It's as easy as running a single command in your terminal. But here's where it gets really cool. Docker makes it super easy to share your app with anyone. You can upload your image to Docker Hub, which is like the app store for containers. Anyone can download your image and run your app in seconds. No setup headaches, no "it works on my machine" drama. And if your app needs a database, a cache, other services, Docker can spin those up too, all isolated in their own containers, but able to talk to each other. This is awesome for testing, development, and even deploying to production. So, to sum up, Docker lets you build, ship, and run apps anywhere, without worrying about the environment. It's fast, lightweight, and makes your life way easier, whether you're a solo coder or part of a big team. That's Docker, Demystified. If you want to see more tech explained simply, hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.